Gold fairly traded in a no trade zone. Yes, 1980 levels precisely provided it a very good support, as I asked you in the morning update that you can sell at 1985, but then 1980-82 zone is going to be a maximum support, and precisely it has got the support here. And yes, it failed to break past 1992, which was the stronger resistance, and that was the only buy entry. At the same time, US crude too has seen 75.5 levels earlier, but then traded precisely in 70. Now see, beauty of levels, I asked you to sell only below 73.8, and it has failed to break below 73.8. I hope you all profited there. Now what to expect today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators which position you should take in order to profit. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis. This is the second update for the day. You can also be part of my free Telegram channel where you get the live market updates. Link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start first with look into gold, followed with US crude, WTI. Do watch till the end. Now look at gold's movement so far. See the drop there, consolidation or retracement, then drop there, then retracement, and now it is trading precisely within the box here, within a no trade zone here. Yes, 1980 levels again provided a very good support. If you see it trading below 1980, you can sell again. Now remember, see the Bollinger Bands width have narrowed. This means the candle which is going to come, it is going to bring bullishness, or is it going to bring you can say strong movement can be seen, because see the Bollinger Band width needs to expand, which means it is going to give you longer move. Also you can see consolidation candle here, which means that probably there could be a stronger move. Now which direction it can go? See the twin peaks here, rise, retracement, rise, higher highs here, then retracement, support here at 1980, now trying to consolidate. So once again, if you see it trading above 1986, you can buy here at 1986. However, remember 1992, 1990, 1992 zone, it needs to break past by. So it is going to be risky, but yes, you can buy here at 1986 and then expect 1992 to be breached. If it breaks past 1992, there is lot much of white space here which needs to be covered till towards 95 and 2000 levels. Only bullishness is if you see it trading about 2005, very clear. Stochastic at bottom trying to rise, MACD at bottom here trying to converge, it is still in red. RSI is also at bottom here, trading without any divergence right now. If you look at 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts likewise, now see on the 2-hour charts, this could be a reversal indication if this trade goes past 1986, and then the next candle I'll wait for, possibly it can try to reverse and try to rise beyond 1992, where 1995, 2000, 2005 are the maximum resistance zone. So possibility of it to reverse exists. 1980 certainly is a good support. Yes, it is trading in the box, it has to come out of the box. If it drops below 1980, remember, if it drops below 1980, again 1975, 1970 till 1970, it has got stronger support. So only below 1970 we are going to look forward to another round of drop. Stochastic at bottom here too. The MACD is still divergent and bearish on the 2-hour charts, and the RSI is also at bottom. And if you look at 3-hour charts, similar is the observation on the 3-hour charts. Another important observation on the 3-hour charts, see the sharp drop, retracement, and look at these two candles. These are bearish candle but failed to break past the lows here, and here this candle could be a reversal indication where possibly once it breaks past 1985-86, you can expect a round of rise. A good green candle can be expected here, which might try to take it till towards 2000-2005 levels. Stochastic looking down, trading bearish, MACD trading with divergence and bearishness. And if you look at the RSI, which is almost trading flat here. Now look at the 4-hour charts. Similar observation on the 4-hour charts, but another important point to note here, see, look at the previous candle. The body size is less than the complete move here. There is a lot much of push on the downside, from the downside, and you can see the tail here is strong, which means that there is a possibility of a reversal here, and this time it can try to break past 1990 levels. Stochastic looking down, the MACD is still divergent and bearish. RSI is also trading almost at bottom. And if you look at the daily, now see on the daily chart the story is little different, because see couple of retracement candles, and yes, beyond 1992 it can fly and it can give you very strong bullish momentum. So wait for it to, those who want to trade safe, wait for it to break past 1992 levels, else what is possible, it can give you a stronger red candle here. So once it stays below 1980, we can see specifically 1980, 1975 and 70, if these three levels are taken, there is going to be a very strong bearish momentum which is going to take gold on the downside. And if you look at, see, it is trading below the 20 period moving average, which is trying to converge here. This is a bearish sign here. The stochastic looking down, the MACD is still divergent and bearish, it is looking down, and RSI is also looking down. Considering this, I will recommend you to sell gold today at 1978 levels and buy at 1986 levels. In this $8 no trade zone, do not take any trade here. And yes, if you are buying at 1986, remember the fact that there is going to be a stronger resistance for gold till 1992. Only and only if you see it trading above 1992, we can say that it is going to hit 2000, 2005 levels. 2005 is a very good resistance. On the downside, you can sell at 78, but then 74 and 72 stronger support there. Only if it breaks below 70, further bearishness is going to be seen. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at crude oil. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you can join my mentorship batch. The 21st batch starts on 1st of May. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at US crude movement here. See, almost it has dropped. 73.8 is the level which I shared earlier in the day. That is the level below which you can stay bearish. It precisely reversed from the same levels. Now see, almost symmetrical formation here, which indicates that at least 75.5 will be seen there. And in fact, we can see oil hitting 76 levels also. Yes, this is trying to form a symmetry. And see, lower highs also and lower lows. So be cautious of 75.5 levels, only above which further bullishness is going to be seen. A stochastic rising looking upwards, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI also showing little strength here. And if you look at 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, now see identical formation here. You can find out red green, and possibly the next candle which is going to be there, that will decide this direction. Right now it is very much with a flat bottom and increasing. So this is an expanding triangle. 75.5, 76 levels is going to be the next resistance. Levels beyond 76, there is a very strong possibility that it can try to achieve 77 levels, which is the next strongest resistance. Stochastic trying to reverse. MACD is divergent and bullish. It is looking upwards. RSI is also trying to trade with slight bullish bias. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, now see, on the 3-hour charts, the previous candle had a very, very long tail. And the longer the tail indicates that the price is not willing to stay on the lower levels. At the same time, see, it needs to break past by 75.5 in order to confirm the rise. Till the time it stays below 75.5, there will be a little push. So on the downside, or it might try to trade in a range. The stochastic is flat. The MACD on the other hand has crossed over at bottom. It is trading with little divergence. It is looking upwards, almost double bottom, and it has started to look upwards. Possibly we may see bullish candles here. RSI also trying to look upwards and show a little strength. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, similar is the observation on the 4-hour charts. But on the 4-hour charts, the candle is red here and it is a kind of a hammer, but this is not happening at the bottom here. And yes, with a flat top, it has started to rise. Possibly 75.5, we need to wait for it to break past by. Beyond that, only certainly a stronger bullish momentum is seen. Stochastic is flat. MACD on the other hand has crossed over at bottom. And see, this is the double bottom here. Possibly it can try to bring the prices a little up. RSI is also trying to look upwards and show a little strength. And if you look at the daily chart, now look at the daily chart, see, it has formed a tail here and previous was a green candle. So 75.5, 76 levels, it needs to break past by. Once it breaks beyond 76, it is going to stay bullish. It is going to fly till towards 77 levels, which is the strongest resistance. Stochastic very much at bottom, MACD divergent and bearish. It is trying to converge. See, the candle size has flattened here. And the RSI is also at the bottom there. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy today at 75.2 levels, but then 75.5 is something you should wait. Beyond 75.5 only further bullishness till 76 levels is seen. And remember, it can fly close to 77, so you have to keep trailing till 77. There is stronger resistance there. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell only at 73.8 for this $1.4 zone. Do not take any. On the downside, if it breaks below 73.8, there is going to be very strong bearish momentum where you can expect it to hit 73.5, 73.2 and then 72.4 levels. Remember, 72.4, 72 levels is the next strongest support for oil. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. reach out to me for any of your training or trading queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.